Hi everyone, my name is Katheryn Deschenes, and for my BioBits project I'll be talking about the UME and humpback whales. So first let's meet our characters. Before I go any further, I just want to say that all photos that you see in this slideshow regarding humpback whales were taken by me in compliance with Center for Coastal Studies Research and Whale Sense. So we're talking about the humpback whales today. These are very large creatures in the ocean, and what makes them different from any other species of whale is that they go on these characteristic fluking dives. So these are various pictures of different flukes from different parts of the Gulf of Maine population, and these flukes have individual patterns which help us individualize these whales. And this is where they're found in the world. This is a map by NOAA on the feeding grounds for different humpback whales. As you can see, they're a pretty cosmopolitan whale that can be found in almost every ocean. So what's the problem is right now we're seeing a very large UME, or unusual mortality, event in these humpback whales. So just some background, in 2016, NOAA had started to see lots of different whale carcass sightings up and down the east coast of the United States. And in 23, they recorded 33 humpback whales had passed away due to this UME that was indicted in 2016. And in 24, a total of 223 humpback whales have died because of this unusual mortality event. So what are some of the causes? Right now, the UME is being used to research what is the leading cause of death in humpback whales. So it encompasses all the unexplained death regarding these whales. Right now, there's an ongoing investigation to understand what the main cause is. And NOAA has put out an interactive ArcGIS map on where these whales are being found, either on the beach or in the ocean just floating, to kind of give a sense of where geographically this is happening the most. And what we're seeing is there are large increases in entanglement, ship strike, and bioaccumulation, which we will get into later. So the two theorized leading causes of the UME is entanglement, which is where the humpback whale gets wrapped in a form of fishing gear and sometimes can cause drowning. Other times the whale can be disentangled. As you can see in those two pictures, that is an entanglement that happened this summer in July for a 4-month-old humpback whale calf. As you can see, there is a line wrapped around all parts of the calf, including its tail, which is not pictured. Another cause for the UME may be ship strike. So ship strike is where whales get cut up by ships, various parts of the ships, rather either the propeller or the hull of the ship, and it can leave lasting scars that don't go away, or worst case, it can cause in the death of the whale. But another cause for the UME is bioaccumulation, and this is a really big idea where the process of disease or other harmful pathogens is passed up through the whale from the small fish it is eaten by. So those small fish are born in freshwater ponds. They eat the algae in those ponds. And if the algae is contaminated, those fish then carry those contaminants. And when the whale eats the fish, they get infected with that pathogen as well. So when we don't see any physical causes of death, a good idea as to what caused this whale to pass away is bioaccumulation. So why is it important? So whales are farmers of the sea. There is this thing called the whale poop pump, where whales cannot poop under intense pressure, so they have to poop at the surface of the water. And what that does is when the sun shines down onto that poop, it sort of regenerizes all the nutrients in the ocean, producing more phytoplankton. Phytoplankton are photosynthesizers, so they produce oxygen. And oxygen is what we breathe. Through phytoplankton, the ocean produces about 50% of the oxygen we breathe. So we need these whales to keep doing their business so we can keep breathing. Is my work cited? Thank you.